Hey, this is Kyle here at Evans Hearing Aid Center. I just have a couple little battery tips for you I wanted to share with you. First off, we're going to show kind of a good little tip whenever you're putting your hearing aid battery in. I'm going to kind of show you it still has the tab on it there. So when I pull off this tab, it's actually going to expose 3 little holes on the back of that hearing aid battery. And so what that does is that activates the hearing aid battery. And I'm going to let that battery, before I put it in my hearing aid, I'm going to let it sit for about 30 seconds to really get that oxygen in the battery activated. If I put it in too soon, I could lose some life out of the hearing aid battery. So we let it sit for about 30 seconds and then it's good to go. Now I have 2 batteries here. One I know is dead and one is brand new, but let's say I didn't know which one's which. So here's a little tip to show which one's which. I'm going to take which I know is the old battery here, and then I'm going to drop it on a nice hard surface here. So I'm going to take it and drop it, and it kind of bounces and rolls around. Do you see how it does that there? Kind of bounces all over the place. Now I'm going to take the battery I just took out of the package here, and I'm going to drop it. And it sticks, and it just kind of stays down. So that's a little helpful tip. If you find a battery and you're not quite sure if it's a good battery or not a good battery, if you just take it and drop it there on the table and it stays down, it's a good battery. So 2 tips for today. When you take the tab off the back, let it sit for about 30 seconds before you put it in your hearing aid, and then testing the battery. If it bounces, it's a bad battery. If it stays down, it's a good battery.